I can't get enough of this Care Bear. I just can't. She's too cute for words. Let's see. There she is in her swing. Doing what she does best, being cute. Say hi to Nana and Grandma. You waved hi to Nana and Grandma. You waved hello to Nana and Grandma. Hey, baby girl. Yeah, why? Yeah. Bless you. Oh, poor baby. You got allergies too? Oh, baby girl. Woo! You're like, leave me alone, Mama. Leave me alone. I was minding my own business. I was just minding my own business. Minding my own. Okay, I'm gonna get off here, and you better not smile. You better not smile when I turn off the camera like you did last time. Oh, you're doing it. You're doing it. You're doing it. Silly. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the camera, and there better not be. Oh, you're doing it. You little stinker. What? Say that again. Oh, baby girl. Oh. Really? Oh. Alright, I gotta go. My phone's ringing.